Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the town of Falmouth. Falmouth is the capital of the parish of Trelawney, and it's also the largest and busiest town in Trelawney. Now we're driving by the Falmouth Pier, and the Falmouth Pier has put the town of Falmouth back on the map. Some of the largest cruise ships in the world dock here, and straight ahead you can see the Harmony of the Seas, which is one of the largest cruise ships out there today. So we're going to take a quick tour past the pier, and then we drive through the town and take a look at Falmouth. Now, a lot of development has been going on in Falmouth because of this pier. A lot of plazas have been built, a lot of gas stations, a lot of infrastructure has been put in. The Falmouth Hospital was recently renovated, along with the police station and a new fire station. Well, the fire station was renovated also, and a lot of activities taking place in the town now. Alright, so we're going to drive by the pier. There are actually two cruise ships at the pier today. So you find a lot of the town is very busy today. It's very congested because when you have one cruise ship coming in, you have a lot of buses that come and take persons to various attractions or tours. And today there are actually two cruise ships, so you know the place is extremely busy. There you can see the police out trying to assist with the flow of traffic. But Falmouth is definitely one of the fastest growing towns in Jamaica. And just to give you an idea of how booming the tourist industry is in Jamaica, today there are two cruise ships docked at the Falmouth Pier, and there are also two cruise ships docked at the Montego Bay Pier. So that's just to give you an example of how busy Jamaica is tourism at this time. So there you can see the taxis, and they put those cones out so that the buses can park there. So this is the pier. Actually, most of the buses there's a tour bus coming out to the pier there. Most of the tour buses are allowed to go into the pier to collect the passengers. So Falmouth is a very busy place, and then when the cruise ships come in, it's even busier.